Hello everyone, I am Sujay Kumar, an English educator at Riddhi Siddhi Central School. Today I feel proud to present our students in this co-scholastic activity. So,
Good afternoon everyone. Today we are here to show you how to make a bird table and help birds to find the food.
We need a wooden board or cardboard.
We also need for glue, rope and some bird seed.
First we're gonna fix the bees properly and attach support. And now we're gonna place some seeds on the table like this.
Thank you for feeding us.
We feel safe and happy. If we care for birds, we care for nature.
Save birds, save nature. Save birds, save nature.